Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Gold USD. So, if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So, let's get started. So, it is a 4-hour chart of Gold USD in front of us, and as you can see, right now market is trading at 1815. This is the current market price here, but there is not much movement or volatility in the market right now. If we switch to the 1-hour chart, then we can see the same thing. There is not much volatility or movement in the market right now. And if we look at this last few candles here, then you can see that the market is full of dojis and spinning tops, and dojis and spinning top signifies indecision in the market. So as a result, it is not the ideal time to take any position on the chart of gold. If you have any ongoing buy position, sell position, you can continue with that position. But if you are looking for a fresh opportunity in the market, this is not the right time, because first of all, market is in indecision mode right now, and secondly, markets the risk to reward ratio will also be not in our favor. So let's quickly look at the important levels for the day. Before talking about levels, I would like to tell you one thing here. As we all know that gold's chart was in downtrend. Okay, there was a huge fall on the chart of gold. I have already explained previously that gold was forming lower lows, unable to cross the previous highs, and that's why gold chart was going down. But this time, gold did not break the previous low, rather it formed a new low around 18.7 level. So this was the level, this was the pattern of gold. Okay, and now we have something like this. So there may be a possibility that buyers will be back in the market and they may try to push the market up also. I was looking for some information online. Okay, but sadly I could not find. Here you can see that gold USD remains depressed around 1810 area amid fresh USD buying. But yes, there is a big problem going on regarding inflation around the world. Okay, as a result, okay, there is a possibility that recession may be coming again. So if something like that happens, if the world sees another crisis, okay, there may be some fresh buying in the market as well. So as a result, we cannot be too certain that gold will be falling only. Yes, any upcoming crisis in the world will push the market up again. And yes, as I have already said, that gold was forming lower lows in the market, but this time, okay, this time gold has formed a new low. Okay, right? Not new low, lower, higher low. Yes, higher low. Yes, gold has formed a higher low in the market. Okay, so as a result, there is a possibility of some upside as well. In the chart of gold, the most important or the strongest support is around 1780 that we have already discussed previously, and 1780 is still the strongest support in the market. So in case there is a sudden fall in the market due to any news, because as we all know, in the last few months, okay, there has all been news and news and news. Okay, so if we see any sharp fall in the market, we can expect that 1780 will act as the next big support for the market, and if price bounces from 1780, definitely we can take a buy position. If not trend reversal also, at least you can expect a profit of 60 to 70 pips. Okay, you'll get to see a good hammer kind of a pattern, or at least a pin bar. Okay, so definitely 1780 is a strong buy level if price bounces. Yes, if price, because confirmation is always essential. Okay, before 1780, okay, before 1780, 1786 can be a minor support also. Yes, keep in mind I'm using the word minor here, minor support. Why? Because 1780 is the strongest support, and considering this price rejection, 1786-87 can be a level. If there is not much heavy selling in the market, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा sell नहीं आ रही है market में, then 1786 has the possibility of providing support to the market. Otherwise, 1780 will be the only reliable support for us. Before that, as of now, okay, 1807 can be a level. Okay, 1807 can be a support level, but again I'm saying repeatedly that 1780, this is the only strong support. 1807 is not a reliable support. Right now there is not much volatility in the market, so in this present market condition, when there is not much volatility, in that case you can expect the market to bounce from 1807 level. Okay, but by the US session, if you see movement in our market, volatility in the market, then the chance of market reversing or bouncing from 1807 is very less. Okay, so though we have got three support levels here, 1807, 1786 and 1780, three support levels. These two are not at all reliable. Okay, they are less reliable if the market remains flat, there is not much volatility, then you can expect the market to bounce for 30 pips, 40 pips. Otherwise, the only reliable level is 1780. But keep in mind, no level is permanent in the market, so in case there is a heavy fall in the market, there you can also take a sell position below 1780 as well. And the next big support will be around 1750. As of now, okay, there is no need to talk about 1750, 1720. Let's focus on these levels only. Okay, keep in mind, though gold was forming lower lows in the market, but this time gold has formed a higher low. Okay, and if you look at the pattern here, it looks like a symmetrical triangle pattern. Okay, so and right now gold is gold looks indecisive, so it's better to wait and watch. And in case market goes up from here, agar market यहाँ से ऊपर जाता है, okay, so it's better to avoid taking any sell position. Okay, because right now we do not have any proper resistance level also. Okay, one reliable selling position can be around 1835 to 1840. This can be a reliable sell position in the market if price reverses. Yes, price reversal is extremely important. If market reaches this level and if you see price reversing, if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern, good price rejection from above, then only take a sell position. Otherwise you can avoid it. Right now things are not much, okay, not much clear to us. Okay, let's wait and watch. I'll request all of you to follow proper risk management, because my analysis can be wrong as well, but you should not be losing all of your capital or hard-earned money. Protect your hard-earned money, my dear friends. And though it looks like the trend line has been acting as a dynamic resistance, but to beginners and new traders, I will not suggest taking any sell position at the trend line, because personally in this type of market, volatile market, okay, I personally feel that we should only take a position when the level is right enough, when we get the good enough signal from the chart. Okay, trend lines are weaker in comparison to static support resistance level, so if you are new to the market, then we can avoid taking a sell position at a trend line. But if you have experience, if you know how to deal with trend lines, then that's your personal opinion. Whatever it is, follow proper risk management. Capital protection should be your first priority always. Bye bye, take care.